Hello and welcome to my new channel, Opening Lives with Art. My name's Karen Kestelud and I'm an art instructor and professional artist who hasn't been painting for many years. So I don't know if you're like me, whether you already can do art but don't, or whether you're new to wanting to create. I hope that you'll find something good in this channel for you. Um, I made this channel for a couple of reasons. One, I just wanted to start creating again and wanted to encourage other people to create. I started this channel during the COVID-19 pandemic, during the time of lockdown, um, mostly because I think people need something, and I'm doing it a lot for me. And because I want to reach out to people and give people a way to share and create and open something up in ourselves during this kind of lonely time. I really felt inspired to do this now because my mom sadly just passed away during this pandemic. And I wasn't able to go see her in the hospital or say goodbye or be able to comfort her through her suffering. And I'm finding it to be a really surreal and lonely experience. Like it doesn't really seem real to me that she's gone because I didn't get to see her since the shutdown. She lived in a retirement complex and they needed to shut it for everyone's safety. Um, and so I felt myself really at a loss. And so I decided, because we couldn't have a funeral with her favorite flowers, that I would paint her favorite flowers. And this is a painting that I made for her, and so that I could share with my sisters some images of our mom's favorite flowers. And she loved carnations and how they'd last so long. And I want to start something where we're sharing our loved ones' favorite flowers after having passed away in a time when we can't share with them. So um, it got me painting again because, I'm so busy teaching others how to paint all the time that I haven't been taking time to paint and have been kind of stuck creatively. And I've been given some insights that, we can create the life we want to see for ourselves through our creative artworks. Regardless of what sort of technical skill they might have, it's more about creating a vision for ourselves and creating and allowing ourselves to open up a part of ourselves that maybe we've been shutting down. And I know I'm feeling pretty shut down just from being really busy all the time. And now that I'm in isolation, and I just need to do something. So I hope that you'll come and join me to create together. My goal in this program, and why I called it Opening Lives, this is something I've been wanting to do for years, to help people open up new possibilities through themselves through making images of some kind. And it doesn't have to be art, and you don't have to be good at drawing to create images and to, involve yourself with the creative process. We all are creative beings. We all were created, and we have the ability to create within us, whether it's an idea, um, a mathematic formula, a dinner, a garden, a drawing, our interior, the way we dress, the way we do our makeup. These are all ways we create. We create our relationships and our realities. And, I've really been wanting to change my reality and evolve myself. And I have to stop cutting myself off my own creativity. I'm always teaching others how to be creative and how to draw. I want to engage with you together and explore together so we can open our lives, our emotions, our creativity, our imagination, new possibilities for ourselves. And within the Opening Lives program, I have envisions for so many different ways that we can create together. So I'm going to be introducing different things from opening doors to creating these floral paintings or drawings for our loved ones who've passed away during COVID-19, um, to how to journal, to how to draw, how to paint, how to explore in really creative ways, how to connect with your inner self, whether it be your sort of your psychology or your spiritual path, and envisions how to paint your dreams, whatever they might be. So I'm so glad to welcome you to this new channel and hope that you'll go on this journey of creative discovery with me, and let's open up each other's lives. Bye for now. Nice to meet you.